Hi everyone, welcome into Playwright tutorial. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to record video in Playwright. It will help you to debug test in a Playwright. When the test case failed, it will capture the video automatically. I will explain step by step how you can capture the video in a Playwright. So let's begin. This is login test example. And here you can view, first navigate to this URL, enter username, and then enter password. After enter the password in password field, click on login button and click on add to cart. Open playwright config.ts and here in this section add video, and here multiple options are available. You can view if you want to off video capturing, so you can also set here off. If you want to capture video, so you can set here on. Save this file and run the test. Here at comma we need to add here comma. Now run the test, enter command here npx playwright test login.spec.ts headed project Chrome. Click on enter and it will run the test. As you can view here, navigate to this URL and open this report. Now we need to view this captured video, so click on test results. Inside test results you can view login with valid credentials. This is the test case name and here video has been captured successfully. Click on reveal in file explorer and it will open this path, and here you can view video has been captured successfully. If you set here, if you want that video should not be captured, so you can set here. Now again run the test and remove this video. Right click here and delete this video and again run the test. In this scenario it will not capture the report because here we set video off. Let's check here. Click on test results and here you can view video is not displayed here because here we set video off. Now an other option available here, return on failure on first retry. Now click on return on failure on retries. Enter here we can inside define retries 1. When the test case will be failed, it will retries at, at timeout 10 seconds. Now again run the test, enter invalid here element and test case will be failed. Enter command here. Now first it will navigate to this URL, enter username, password, and then it will not click on login button because here we enter invalid element name, and it will wait for 10 seconds because we define 10-second timeout in configuration file. Now again retry and it should be captured video on retry. Enter username, password, and 10 seconds for wait. Now check whether it captured the video or not. click on test results and click on this one. As you can view here, video recorded successfully. We can open, click on here, reveal in file explorer, and here recorded video. You can view here. Enter username and password. So that's how you can easily record video in Playwright. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SK World for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.